the Mustang. 1, 2, 3, go. Just the Corvette, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. This is gonna be interesting.
That was
a
good.
good one.
That was Mustang.
All right, both of you guys are going on the count of 3.
All right.
Ready? Both of you guys. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, for the 5.0, let me hear it. All right, go for the Corvette. You want to hear it again? I say one more time. One more time, bro.
Jessica said one more time.
All right, we're gonna do it one more time for shit. On 3, both of you guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hold on. I'm gonna let one of the. Hold on. I'm gonna let one of the girls do it, bro. I can't do this.
Let the savage out.
But I just want to hear you guys yell one more time. All right? All right, because it sounds pretty even. All right, so let me hear for the Mustang. All right, let's hear it for the Corvette.
Corvette took it on
Hold on, everybody. Give it up for the Mustang. Give it up for the Mustang.
That's
Hey,
right.
Corvette.
You guys straighten out. Come to me. Keep coming. Keep coming.
White
Keep
shirt.
coming.
Right here. White
Cut it.
shirt.
Come to me.
Black hat.
Keep coming.
Keep moving. Thank you, bro.
Keep going. Stop. All right, ready? On 3. Hey, on 3, he's gonna go just by himself. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. He's got like that rapid fire. But this guy's got the cannon. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Dude, this was like. Come on, guys. Move. Move. Bitch, get out the way. Move. I know, where are they? Gio, you were talking about Supras. I don't see no Supras.
I don't know where they are. They got scared. All right, Corvette, pull
Pull
up.
out, guys. Let him out.
If you can hear Corvette.
Hey, that Evo needs to just come straight through. This is the finals right here. This is it. Where's the Corvette at, guys?
Oh my God.
Both of you guys are gonna go, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Everybody be quiet.
You're saying Evo, what do you mean?
Hold on. Let's hear it for the Mustang.
All right. What about the Evo?
SoCal Eagles
Hold
in the
on.
house.
You need to back up, because I need to get him out of here. Come through. Come through.
Damn.
And if you guys can't see what this guy's car tire sticker says, it says run your car, not your mouth. Cut it this way, hard.
Get work.
Come through.
Get some.
This way. Come through. Keep coming. Alright, stop. So you got your work cut out for you on this one. Ready? I'm gonna hear you first. 1, 2, 3, go. Listen. 1, 2, 3, go. It's the finals. We're gonna do them together. Sucks to be you guys. Ready? Both you guys together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, complete silence. This is the finals right here, guys.
Finals.
This is,
Quiet.
no chanting.
This is
We're gonna
quiet.
go.
Alright,
Ready?
you guys gotta be quiet. This is the finals. This is it. We're done.
For the white Corvette, let me hear it. Alright. What about this Evo? Hey, let him out, guys. Let him out. Let him out, bro. First place loser. Let him out.
Hold on. Yo, grab my keys. I'm next.
Wait, what did he say?
On your car, not your
Yo,
mouth.
congratulations, Ernie. You're the two-step backfire champion for Chile Tokyo.
One more time for the people.
Do it one time for the fans. One time for the fans.
Those people are so scared. Let it rip, bro.
Congratulations. Wait for the award ceremony.
Guys, that was super.
Yo,